Welcome to SPARKies. Let's learn about Excel drop-down lists in 3 minutes or less. Drop-down lists can help spreadsheet users make a selection from a predetermined list and can avoid spelling and format errors by controlling the data that can be entered. Using this data table as an example, we will make a drop-down list of the applicable countries. Start by giving the column a heading, then Enter. Now highlight all the cells to which you want the drop-down applied by using the left click and drag. Go to the Data tab, then choose the icon for Data Validation. In the Settings tab, under Allow, choose List. You can type this list out, separating each option with a comma, then click OK. Or, if you have the list already within your spreadsheet, copy and paste the choices into the box and click OK. You can see the cells now have a drop-down list to choose from. If you have any questions about creating drop-down lists in Excel, contact your digital integration specialist.